Hi, my name is Jeff Morgan, and thanks for signing up to take resources for teaching physics. I'm a faculty member in the departments of physics and science education at UNI, and this is my 13th year at this institution. Prior to that, I was a graduate student in physics education research at the University of Maine, and prior to that, I was a high school physics and physical science teacher in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's actually my experience teaching in those 3 years in Tennessee that informs my goals for this course. You see, I was eager to, be a fun teacher, to help my students learn, to build a class that was going to be enjoyable for them, but not based simply on somebody droning on and on to them for hours and hours. And while I think that I was at least partially successful in teaching, I could have been a much better teacher if I'd been aware of the vast number of resources that had already been out there and developed by people in the physics education world. I was pretty unaware of most of those things, and so I spent a lot of time in my classroom during those 3 years, essentially trying to write my own curriculum to make an engaging, fun, student centered, active kind of classroom. And some of the things that I built during that time I'm proud of, others not so proud of. Long story short, I could have been so much more efficient if I'd been aware of the curriculum that people had already put together before me, the tools and the resources that were there. It would have made me a better teacher. And so that actually informs my goal for this course and for you, and that is if you are teaching physics or physical science in your future, I hope that this course connects you to some resources that will be useful for you so that you can see what works, what doesn't, how the resources out there align with the standards you're expected to teach your students, and pull from a wide variety of sources to make your classroom a fun, engaging, and student-centered one. Of course, I also hope that we deliver on that goal in this course. This is our first time trying this course completely through a distance learning format, so certainly there's going to be some bumps in the road. But if you see things in this course that could be improved, or if you have questions about what's going on, I hope you won't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy this semester.